Hi.
Hello, what are you going to talk about today?
I think we should just share something about yourself.
Okay, sound good. Do you want to start or shall I go to praise?
You can go first, then I'll share mine after you.
Alright,
Okay, so let's start simple. Can you tell me about yourself? I like your full name, age, and maybe a little bit about your family.
okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Susan Karim and I am 20 years old. I live in Pulubala district, Gorontalo. I am the host of the sibling. My youngest sister is 19 years old, is studying at Gorontalo University, while youngest sibling is still in.
Okay, where do you live right now? At home or in boarding house? And why did you choose?
Right now, I am studying at Gorontalo State University, majoring in English education. Since my house is quite far from campus, I decided to stay a boarding house near to universities. This why it's easy for me to manage my time and focus on my studies.
Before uni, you studied at SMK Satu Limboto, right? Before uni, you studied at SMK Satu Limboto, right?
Yes, before entering universities, I studied at SMK Satu Limboto with a major in hospitality there and how to welcome guests, serve in restaurant, and practice English in real station. That was the moment I started to enjoy learning English.
Okay, you also did internship at two hotels, Grand Q Hotels and Aston Hotels Manado. You also did internship at two hotels, Grand Q Hotels Gorontalo and Aston Hotels Manado. How was this experience for you?
I also had the chance to internship the Grand Key Hotel Gorontalo and Aston Hotel Manado. The experiments gave me the opportunity to practice English there while serving guests, and they're really helping me gain more confidence.
Okay, so right now you are studying at Gorontalo State University. What's your major and why did you choose it?
After graduating from vocational school, I decided to continue my study in English education. My dream is to improve my English skill and the future become a teacher who can inspire students to enjoy learning English as well.
Okay, and last one. In your opinion, why is English so important to learn? Can you give me an example from your own life?
For me, English is very important because it's open many and connect us with the wider world. The why I want to keep learning and growing so I can reach my goals and also be useful for others. Now talk about talk about you. Do you also want to share about yourself or maybe your favorite movie and my favorite song?
My favorite movie. My favorite movie is Zootopia. It's an animated movie from Disney, and I think it's really amazing. The story is set in a big city where animals live together, and each animal has their own role in society.
Oh, really? What is the main character?
The main character is Judy Hopps, a small rabbit who dreams of becoming a police officer. Most animals think a rabbit is too weak to become a cop, but Judy never gives up. She works really hard to prove herself, and finally, she gets a chance to show her ability. Along the way, she meets Nick Well, a clever and funny fox. At first, they don't trust each other, but later they become a great team.
That sounds cool. Why do you like to this movie so much?
What I like the most is the message. It's not just funny and entertaining, but also inspiring. Jadi show us that no dream is too big and no one is too small to achieve it. The movie also teaches us about friendship, teamwork, and not judge others by stereotypes.
So, how many times have you watched it?
Honestly, many times I can watch it again and again without getting bored. That's why Zootopia is my favorite movie.
Nice. How about music? Do you have a favorite song?
Uh, Music. Yes, my favorite song is "Stuck on Your" by Leo.
Oh, that's interesting. Thank you for sharing your story.
Sure, and thanks for sharing about yourself too.
Yeah, I think that's all for yesterday.
Alright, that's the end of our introduction. Thank you. Bye. See you.
Bye.